Alright, got another one for you here. So the symptoms my daughter told me was when she pulls on the handle, it does nothing. So obviously it looks like either a clip fell off or it's broken. We'll take it apart and figure it out. However, if you unlock the car from the inside, it's a good sign that the door latch still works. So I open this. Ta-da! It still opens. So in today's video, we'll figure it out. We'll figure out why this is not open. We'll take this apart. You haven't already looked at the other video how I managed to replace this leather on this nice pretty looking thing here. And also was able to replace the master panels on here. So it still locks. Those are good symptoms that the door locks. This part still works. It's probably just the clip that holds this door in place probably came off. The clip is broken. All right, tools you're going to need to get this job done is a pick. I'll put the link in the description below from Amazon. I got that from. Great to get any tight corners, get the clip on. Flathead, Phillip head, long needle nose, L-shaped pliers, and a flashlight. Take those two covers off here and here. There's a Phillip head now. Grab it up. Just remember where you take out the screws. Come back how you found it. Pro tip, this comes off too. It's just a little clip that holds it in. Those clips are being held in. There. And there, and there, and there. There's the two screws up top. There's one more down here. I'll take that out. So, there, use the handle. And one there. And the rest should come off. You pop these clips off along the tracks. So the tab actually stays on it. Don't try to take it off. Same goes here. The tab stays there. Always remember which screw goes to which, top or bottom. Pull from the bottom, it should pop right off. Lucky dime. So pull out and then push up because it hangs on the ledge of this window here. Now, take this handle out. This clips in the back of this. And we're going to disconnect the wire that goes to these master controls here. Just like that. Pro tip is flip it upside down. So here's the clip that holds it in. These two clips. Here, it's being held on by a tab that goes here. I'll show you in a second. To disconnect the master control, all you just squeeze here. Disconnect the master control, all you just squeeze here. Okay, so once you have all the part, we're actually going to look deep inside here, see what's going on with the door handle here. Take these tabs off, peel this all back, and we'll take a peek what's going on inside the door. So to get the door handle, there's two plugs here, one here, one here, one here. We're gonna take those apart so we can get to the bolt that's holding the door handle itself. Love this thing. Try to put the link in the description below for these picks from Amazon. Now we can directly access the bolt that's holding the door handle. I'll show you in a second. So there's the door handle. Peep through here, that's the bolt. It's probably a 10mm there. Same goes here. Another 10mm there. We're gonna unscrew it and figure out what's wrong, going on, what's broken. So there's a clip, you take out the 10mm. This clip slides right out. Wiggle it out to the side there. There it is. Just remember how you found it, just like that. And the second one, the clip falls there. I get that clip too. So I forgot to mention in the video here that you need to unhook the latch that goes as this red clip here with a pick hook, and you should be able to take out the lock. Here's the problem right there. It's where it's broken. So a pin just goes through there and holds everything in. As you pull on the handle, it opens the door like so. But obviously you can't do that because the pin's not attached to this. We'll have to order a new door handle, and we'll probably just take the backing off of this and keep the color of the door handle the same. Alright, so here it is, Amazon. I'll flash it across the screen how much it costs. I think it's 24 bucks for this by Dorman. So exterior door handle. So it comes primed. You have to. What I'll do is I won't film it, but you just kind of spray paint it and make it match the car, my daughter's car there. Make the handle match. So it comes out. There it is. Got a couple things with it, but yeah, that's where the keyhole goes. Goes this way. Here's the part that's broken, as we saw. Oh, they made a better version. So no, it's the same. So it's the pin that we saw. That's the pin that broke, and the pin locks onto this part right here. So we bought this from Lowe's, and this from Lowe's. So it didn't really match. So it kind of went overboard. So I bought this other can from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. If you haven't already, check out my links below. The boy is sponsored now by Amazon. So you guys click on those links to help support the channel. But that's the number you need for this. Yeah, make a model 2007 Honda CRV EXL, and it's going to be called Honda Glacier Blue Metallic B538M. That's what you need. So I start off with this. So you really need to do a base color. Once that dries, I added this one from Amazon. It came pretty close. Guys, do say so myself. And then I've topped it off with a clear coat, this one, and that's how it looks. So yeah, it's pretty good. Because I'll leave the link in the description below for this color, and we'll put it all together. For the back, a pro tip is this thing actually slides into here. You can actually bend it and put it in there. Slide it in like so. And you see this part here? This part actually you can just push it with your hand or a tool to get it into this slot here. So it kind of looks like this. And push it into here. Look at there's some holes here, so you just gotta line them up. I'll put the key up to the top. I'm not going to film the rest, so you kind of get just the idea. All right, there it is, all done. Pretty much matches everything. Pretty decent, I would think. All right, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, we talk about personal finance and cost savings. Today was a cost saver for this. I'll flash across the screen how much it would cost to have a door handle replaced or fixed by somebody in the garage. But definitely use the links in the description below from Amazon. Helps support the channel. I'll see you in the next video.